Tasks can serve a wide range of purposes within your continuous improvement initiatives. Every task within WorkClout serves a specific purpose in helping you achieve your goal of improving overall efficiency, reducing waste, cutting costs, and more. In this video, we'll walk through the basic components of a task and how you can use this feature to implement, track, and automate all your continuous improvement goals. There are two distinct types of tasks on WorkClout. First, you have the standard task, which is a single task that can be assigned to someone. Standard tasks can also be set to occur on a custom frequency. Second, you have your on-demand task, which is a task that can be made available for any employee to assign to themselves and work on. The makeup of a task is pretty simple on WorkClout. Looking at the form, you'll see that the only required fields for a task is a type, name, and assignee. There are a number of additional options you can enable that will allow you to make the specific task much more versatile. You can add a custom form template with a checklist, media upload, multiple choice, signatures, and much more for your employees to fill out when they're assigned the task. You can add a specific description to describe the purpose or meaning of the task. This information is made available to all your employees when they are assigned the task. You can associate the task to one or more assets, which makes it easier to track what task has been completed for each asset. This is also really helpful for reporting. You can add the task to a specific project, or simply type to create a new project along with the task. Projects are a great way for tracking your continuous improvement initiatives. You can require sign-off, which requires the task to be reviewed by the manager or supervisor before it's completed. The approver is able to review and add notes for the assignee when reviewing the task work. You can enable time tracking, which gives you valuable data on how long it takes each employee to complete a task. WorkClout also prevents the employee from filling out the form when time tracking is not enabled. You can also set a due date and track when the task should be completed. All tasks that are not completed will be flagged as past due. Lastly, you can set standard tasks with a recurrence, which brings a whole new level of efficiency. It allows you to put preventive tasks on autopilot. You can set custom frequencies and even indicate the number of occurrences to measure the performance over a specific period of time. All tasks have statuses that allow it to transition through a workflow to completion. The statuses of a task are open, in progress, on hold, in review, and closed. By default, all tasks assigned are in the open status. At this point, the assignee will receive a notification that they have been assigned a new task. Assignees can change the status of a task to in progress once they begin working on it. Employees are even able to indicate when a task is on hold, which is a great way to track tasks that need attention or if there's a specific action item that's blocking it from completion. Paired with the ability to comment on tasks via our chat threads, you and your team can easily identify these blockers and take the proper actions to seamlessly move all your tasks that are on hold to completion. For tasks that require review, the task will automatically transition to the in review status and trigger a notification for the sign-off approver to review the work that has been done. Review notes will be made available for the approver to add. Lastly, all tasks that are approved, in reviewed, and finished will automatically move itself over to the closed status. And that is an overview of tasks.